Goodyear Wrangler DuraTrac has been known to cause more than a few cases of tire envy. Just take a look at it. The aggressive tread design is the perfect complement to your rugged ride. Of course, this tire is more than just appearances. Check out these huge chunks of rubber here on the edge, built with wide gaps designed to plow right through all that mud on the way to your next work site. Now look down between these shoulder blocks and you'll see these tough little teeth. They aren't just for show. That's TractiveGroove Technology, and it gives you the extra traction you need through deep mud and snow. And for such a beast of a tire, well, you'll be surprised how quiet it can be when you're cruising down residential streets or out on the highway. So if you love your truck, show it exactly how you feel and get a set of Goodyear Wrangler DuraTracs.